Chase, remember that one time we said we would record that video, but we never did? Are we gonna do a part 2, or are we just gonna keep going?
I feel like we need to do a part 2. Finally making a part 2 of that one video we made a year ago, Crimson. What do you think of that?
It's gonna be a good idea.
Okay, dude. Yellow this guy. I'm joking. Lots of love. Obviously.
That's what
No
I
homo.
thought.
But now, we're gonna get this done. We're not gonna get stuck at the last level and die. We're gonna make it to Jumbotron, and we are going to win with this baby here.
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Maybe this. I'm joking.
Off to a great
I can't click it! Let's go to this one.
Great start, great start, great start.
Yep.
Oh, what was that? I didn't see anything.
I don't know what that was. Alright, double pistol time.
Let's do this.
Oh. Chad, I almost shot him. Hey, got no bullets. Yeah, I can't shoot. Ah!
But if we die here, I'm gonna be so disappointed in myself.
Goober would like to join you.
Who's Goober? Let's not invite Goober.
I got no clue who Goober is. Yeah, I swear that wasn't him. Or it might have been. I don't know. Oh damn, I almost died.
Almost died.
Hey, still what I said.
Oh my god. I started like 3 bullets.
Oh damn, that's too
boom.
much. Okay, I just messed up. Oh!
Are we serious right now? Thank you. Who's this
I'm
guy?
dead.
Oh god damn. I didn't see anything.
Whoa!
I almost died.
Damn, I need to lock in.
I almost picked up that grenade.
Yeah, Chase, no grenades.
Okay, dude.
Okay. Yo! Clip.
Let's not risk it.
Risk it for the biscuit.
That's crazy.
Chase, we're cooked. We're cooked. I can feel it. Okay, never mind, never mind. We're not cooked. I can't feel it anymore. That's what she said.
Hello, dude.
Huh.
What?
I'm so funny. And I got the best aim too.
Okay. Halo did not teach me to play like this. I ran out of ammo.
Chase, if only you had Uno here.
Oh yes, Uno, my pet paintball shotgun.
Mm-hmm.
What an incredible guy.
Okay.
Is that my son?
I'm out of bullets.
My son. If this is how we die, I'm honestly gonna be really disappointed.
Chase, no worry. They don't call me Crimson for nothing. Okay. I almost just.
Why do they call you Crimson? Because you're in the wrong quest?
I'm gonna.
What? What?
Oops. How did that happen?
I'm gonna tell her Tristan to go. Gang.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't go that far now. What the? Chase, you went in the damn ground.
So we're just not blaming ourselves here. Let's not normalize
Chase.
blaming ourselves.
Chase, if you saw this recording, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know what happened.
I will have to see that recording, and I will have to see my own. And my phone will turn into an oven.
Whoa, he just shot too. He just shot too.
Whoa, that's crazy. I've never seen him do that stuff before.
Oh, I'm shy. Okay.
Quick draw! Okay, I already messed up.
Alright, Chase, I'm coming to help.
Nice, nice, nice. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not gonna lie.
Okay.
The only reason this video took so long
It's because we're
A,
demotivated.
I'm very demotivated. I'm the least motivated person I know, okay? And 2, I got a quest 3 now, Pete. Times have changed.
Yeah.
I got a quest 3 now, everything's in high definition. And that's perfect. It allows me to make content better. It allows me to record better. I mean, don't get me wrong, I would love a creator cam on Quest, but, you know, they can keep adding AI game modes and, you know, giving mobile players the ability to record on their camera, but Quest players don't get anything.
Chase is
Don't
a
buy
bit
it.
salty.
I'm not salty.
You're
Not
like
salty.
you're like a saltine crack. Let's be honest.
Not salt, it's pure pepper. Because it's making me sneeze. Okay.
Yo, what? Oh damn. You know what is salt? My epic firing.
What?
Because you know it just dehydrates the weapon.
Oh, I understand, that's science. That's science right there, man, that's science.
I died. I died.
That's crazy.
I don't
Did
know
you see
how
I
I
just
died.
saved you?
Chase, I'm gonna shoot you again. Oh crap. I'm not gonna shoot you again, I'm sorry. That was
Yeah,
quite
it's
mean
good.
and cruel. Oh damn, solo. Oh, he just off himself.
Nice,
I'm
nice,
not-
nice.
Hold up. Damn, hard carry. Hardest carry you'll ever see, even though I'm doing half the work. God, I'm so funny. This dude.
Oh,
Mark your location.
I'm right here. Come on. Stop looking, listen.
Chase, you just got in my way. But it's alright.
Okay, no, that's
You're
all right.
good.
We doing good now. We doing good. I'm not gonna dance or anything. We doing good now.
Yeah, I know. You don't have to tell me twice. Oh crap.
Yeah.
I'm cooked. Never mind. The goblin's cooked. Oh, nice.
Where's my pistol gun? Okay.
You look like a piece of tire rubber.
I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
I hear you! He broke my mic. Or audio.
Dude, easy one. We're making it. We're making it.
Damn, I'm still getting hard carried.
Now we are close
Chase,
to the place where we died, Crimson.
Chase, we didn't die, remember? It was a tactical retreat of
We're one level away from the place where we failed so many. Well, actually, it was a year ago, but you get the
Oh
point.
yeah. Yeah. Chase, but I'm cooked. Okay. Cooking.
Okay.
No, you should have saved that. Barrel.
Ah, tactical.
Spawn 'em one at a
It's
time,
tactical
one at a
reasoning.
Spawn them one at a time. Don't spawn all three yet. Yeah, I spawned all three!
No, I didn't, gang. I don't know what you're on about. Oh my god. No!
Oh,
Stay back, Crimson. Go all the way back to spawn.
I don't
You gotta-
have any cover if I do that.
You gotta clutch this up, man. You gotta try running over to me, man. Here, if I move all the way to there, you gotta get me. I'm actually gonna have a seizure if I do this. Oh my god.
Chase!
There you go, nice, nice. That's my boy. That's my boy right there.
That's why he just go! That's what I call it, clutch.
That was very clutch.
Okay, missing. Okay.
Nice shot. Oh, crazy. Can someone, like, clip that bullet? Because I'm pretty sure it didn't go there.
I know, I feel your pain.
Uh-oh. Nice,
Chase,
nice,
you know
nice.
pistols can stun purple guys, right? So
I
it's
do
like-
know that, but you need to shoot very quickly. And I ain't got them.
You just gotta click like 6 times. Okay. About to die. Never mind. You peek for that.
Oh,
Chase,
oh, this is really bad.
Chase.
This is really bad. This is really bad.
careful!
I hit the nastiest dodge. I had to move my whole body for that one.
I'm in a bad spot.
Never say never. Got him.
Oh, I thought that was the purple guy.
You didn't need to shoot. It's all you. That's all you. It's all you. It's all you. It's all you. Nice.
Okay.
Lovely, lovely, lovely jubbly right there. 13 minutes, 15 seconds. It's gonna be a long
Bro.
video.
I'm still getting hard carry.
Crimson, stop! Stop. We need to prep.
Alright.
Here's a plan,
Let's
Crimson.
spawn them one at a time. Don't run ahead.
Okay,
So
I
it's like,
understand. This is where we
stay
failed
behind
so
this
long
and
ago.
Then target the purple guys first. I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Chase, where's that eagle of yours?
Uh-oh.
Nah, that's alright. Those are useless unless you get a good spawn for the purple pot. Hang on, let's see.
Nice,
Alright.
nice, lovely.
Run up just
Careful.
a little bit.
Stay back, stay back, stay back. What's
Alright,
that? You got
alright.
guys on
Come
your
back, come back, come back. Come back. DJ Bones would like to join you. Screw you.
Got him.
Sorry, DJ Bones. I love you. No homo, though.
Boom.
Run ahead. No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Spawn them, we spawn them, we be careful. Hit the barrels.
Yeah, yeah. I missed.
Nice,
Okay,
nice.
okay. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Because after this, the purple guy's gonna spawn.
Alright, wait for it. Yeah, there you go.
What the?
Jesus, they're flying!
They're flying. Oh, damn. I only got one. Actually,
Bro, get it. Oh my god, dude. Over here, over here. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. Get
I got you, bro,
get back, get back.
substance. Alright, stay back, stay back. Careful, careful, careful.
Yeah,
Run,
that trigger.
Run to here. Run back, run back, run back.
Oh, run.
Speed running knowledge, go
My
Bert.
squad's gonna start jumping, man.
Nah, not unless you murder them quick. Okay, all you.
Jesus. Got him.
Alright.
Nice. We spawning Kevin.
I'm sure. Wait, is there? Okay. This part. Be careful on this part.
We got this
Okay.
in the bag, dude. We got this in the bag.
Okay. Don't run
Let's not
ahead.
waste any barrels.
Yeah. Try not to waste too many barrels.
Nice,
Okay,
nice.
Stay back.
Nice.
Run back. This.
Yep.
Run back. Not the most exciting thing ever, but content purposes, you kind of need to complete this. They're gonna be right around this corner.
Oh my god, Jesus, that was close.
Okay, careful. Soon, my spots. Run back.
My spots, yep. Oh, bro, it's nerve-wracking, man.
Oh, peek. I don't know when these guys are gonna spawn. Okay, I'm lagging. Come on. Okay. Just run back.
Back. Should I use those barrels now? I don't know.
Careful, some my spots are gonna spawn like over here like real soon.
Yeah, no, I'm about to take this last guy out. Watch out. Yeah, there they are.
Alright. Now we can kind of press.
We can push forward now.
Chat, I could glitch into the wall. That's just kind of something that won't be very good for content. If I'm being honest.
No glitches, man. We gotta do this legitimately with that jittle yang.
Jet the gang, but we'll see. All down. That.
I'm straight.
Shoot that.
Uh-oh.
Don't worry, Chase. Too peak to die.
Nice! Crimson!
What?
Read that right there. Read it. Read it right read this little
Jumbotron.
thing right there.
Title
We're here.
draw.
We've made it. Since
Damn, I'm still going hard
birth,
carried.
since birth, we've been wanting to be here, Crimson.
Yeah.
Question is, how are we gonna do this, man?
Okay. So.
I'm scared.
Okay.
I'm shaking.
What we need to do is first, I'll go on the background, take out the two sides, and if you die, I can take out the third one. But you need to make sure you get the front one, because that's like the hardest one.
Okay, I understand.
Alright,
Let's do this!
from where I'll be. That'll be a hard one. Alright.
I'm getting in position, gang. In position, gang.
Yeah, just go up there. And I can get the other one.
God, I'm scared. Why am I? Bro, I'm
Crouch,
scared.
crouch.
Yeah, no, I am.
Like.
I'm scared, Mr. Stark. I don't want to die, Mr. Stark. Yeah.
Alright. Good job. Crouch.
I got it. I'm crouching up in here, man.
Damn, my arms are getting tired.
We're so close.
Okay, you know about that, Tommy?
On.
Strafe.
Come
Never
on.
stop strafing.
Come on.
Yes!
Finally, dude. A year worth of effort. Boom.
Hell yeah.
Watch us. We're gonna get the best. We're gonna get the most juicy prize right now.
Oh yeah. Phil.
Eek, love it.